Maybe over these. What you got? What's that? Hmm? Look at all those chews. Just look at it. Look at what you've got. Aren't you clever? Shall I get that for you? Let me open that. There's a good girl. Yeah, that was from Colin, wasn't it? You can't have all at once. Right, let me open it for you. Come here then. There's a good girl.